Hello everyone, I hope everyone is safe at home. So, welcome back to English Grammar class 2. Today we will start with the topic nouns. So, let's move. So, class 2 students, in previous class we have learned what is sentence. In this class we will learn what is noun. Have you taken out your book? Take out your book, page number 14. Page number 14, second lesson. No smiles today. Have you taken out your book? Now you take out page number 14. Learning the language. Today we will learn what is noun. So, you see, what is noun? Words which are used as names of persons, animals, places or things are called nouns. In simple words, noun is the naming words. Noun means the naming words. Again I will repeat. Words which are used as names of persons, animals, place or things are called nouns. You see the example? The boy who lives here is Ajay. The boy who lives here is Ajay. Here, boy and Ajay, both are naming words. So, this both are nouns. But this is only the naming word. And this is the special name. The boy is naming word and the Ajay is the special name, because here we have mentioned the name of the boy. The specific name we have used here. So this is the special name. And here in general it is written boy. Here we have not mentioned any name. So this is only naming word and this is the special name. Here you see, in book you see question number A. Underline the naming words and circle the special names in these sentences. Underline the naming words and circle the special names in the sentence. Here you remember that all special names begin with a capital letter. Always you remember this thing. All special names begin with a capital letter. So here you see, number 1, Arun used a rubber frog to make Shanti smile. Here Arun is the naming word. This is a specific name of a boy. So this is the special name. Special names are also called proper nouns. Special names are also called the proper noun. So here Arun is the special name. Frog is the name of the animal. So it is only the naming word. And Shanti is also the special name because here it is used as a name of a girl. So Shanti is the special name. Then come to question number 3. My pet parrot is called Totaram. This is a specific name of the parrot, Totara. So this is a special name. And here parrot is the name of the animal. So this is the naming word. And what is the name of the parrot? The name of the parrot is Totaram. So this is a specific name. Here it is the special name or the proper noun. So again we will see what is noun. Noun means the naming words. Naming words which are used as names of persons, animals, places or things. Now come to question number B. Here the question is, write these words in the correct columns. Write these words in the correct columns. Here all the options are given. You will have to choose which one is special name and which one is only naming word. You see, Raman. Raman is a name, a specific name, so it will be a special name. Maria, this is also the special name. Aunt. Aunt will be the naming word because here we have not mentioned the aunt's name. Here cartoon, it is in general cartoon. We have not mentioned any name of the cartoon. So it is a naming word. Here you see Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse is a special name because we have mentioned the name of the cartoon. Here Aunt Geeta. Aunt Geeta will be the special name. Here boy. Boy is only the naming word. Game. Game is also the naming word. So you see the options and you put it in the right columns. Which are the naming words you will write here and which are the special names you will write here. Now come to the writing portion. Come to the writing portion. Question number A, writing. Here also the options are given. You see, here also the options are given. You will have to pick up the correct option and you will have to fill up the gaps. You see, high, tadpole, croak, land, green and insects. Now you see the passage, you read the passage. A baby frog is known as what? Tadpole. You have picked up the correct option and you have written here. The baby frog is known as tadpole. Next line, frogs can live on land and in water. Frogs can live on land and in water. Next one I have not written. You can pick up. You see, frogs can jump. What will be the option? You see the option high is there. So you can put it here. Frogs can jump high. So you read the passage and you see the options and you put it in the correct blank. So children, I think what is noun and what is special name and what is naming word, it is clear to you now. So you read and you see. Whenever you will read, you read slowly, then it will be more clear to you. So just you remember, the names of persons, places or things are called naming words or nouns. Here again, the boy who lives here is Ojay. So boy will be only naming word and Ajay will be the special name. And here some more examples I can show you. Here you see the classroom has a blackboard. Classroom is naming word and blackboard is also naming word. Here you see there is a garden and a school near my house. Garden, school and house are the naming words. Here you see I live in India. So here we have mentioned the name of the country India. So this is special name. Here Radha is dancing. So Radha is the special name. So I think you have understood which one is special name, and special name always should be written in capital letter, and special name is also called a proper noun. Proper noun always begins with the capital letter. So here I am ending this class. I think you have understood. So children, be safe and be happy. Thank you.